Good morning, everyone. So we are finally inside Forresta Cafe, and as you can see, I actually haven't slept yet, so please don't mind my face. I actually don't usually put my face in my vlogs, but yeah, for now we decided to grab a quick breakfast here because we went from a very spontaneous sleepover with one of our friends. So yeah. Okay, we're now doing a flaky test. Flake test? I don't know. Is it flaky? It is. Yummy. We also ordered the English breakfast. Nice. Okay, so to conclude our experience here at Forresta Cafe, so the ambience, it's very warm, it's very cozy. So for sure, if you go here, marerelax talaga kayo. And if you want to chill, so this is a perfect place. In terms of parking, they also have a very spacious parking, although hindi lang siya covered, but okay naman. For the price point, they're a little at the high side. For a cup of Spanish latte, we paid like 350 pesos, but the quality is good naman. So I would still recommend for you to go here for breakfast or for brunch. So that's basically it. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you like it. Yeah. See you again next time, I guess. Thank you. Bye.